The Lenovo Legion Go attempts to compete with the Steam Deck in the mobile gaming industry. It has an 8.8-inch 144 Hz display, a powerful AMD Ryzen 1 Extreme CPU, and detachable controllers. Given Lenovo's history of producing high-end gaming laptops and personal computers, it is obviously of high quality. It's set to challenge Valve's Steam Deck as the best PC gaming portable, unlike Asus's ROG Ally, which failed to unseat it. Price: the Lenovo Legion Go, available in October for $699, will provide robust performance thanks to upgrades such as an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, 16 GB RAM, and up to 1 TB SSD storage. The 8.8-inch LCD on this portable gadget has a 2560 by 1600 resolution, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and a rapid 144 Hz refresh rate. Design and display: emerging as a possible rival to the Steam Deck, Lenovo's Legion Go looks suspiciously like Nintendo's Switch console. The slim bezels, rear kickstand, and removable controllers all call to mind the Nintendo Switch, which is why the two devices often need clarification. In contrast to the relatively childlike design of the Nintendo Switch, the Legion Go distinguishes itself due to its general sense of professionalism. The Legion Go has dimensions of 11.8 by 5.15 by 1.61 inches and a weight of about 1.41 pounds when coupled with its controllers. It defies expectations by feeling light in hand, yet somewhat large for a handheld device. The Steam Deck-like weight distribution it achieves makes it easy to hold and feels great in the hand. The plastic chassis of the gadget contributes to its durability, and despite its smooth texture, it never gives the appearance of being slippery, which improves the entire user experience. The Legion Go has two USB-C connections, a micro SD card slot for extra storage, and a standard headphone jack for connecting to other devices. The large 8.8-inch screen is one of its most notable attributes. Screens on competing products like the Steam Deck, Asus ROG Ally, and Neo 2S are smaller. Thus, this one naturally stands out. According to Lenovo, this screen's maximum brightness is 500 nits and can display 97% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. These claims must be tested in a laboratory setting, but the panel seems bright and beautiful to the human eye. Regarding picture quality, the Legion Go shines because of its high 2560 by 1600 resolution and silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. As a result, users can notice finer details with more clarity and are immersed in a visually appealing gaming experience, making Lenovo's decision to opt for a higher pixel count than its competitors with 1080p displays worthwhile. Controllers: at first glance, the Legion Go uses the standard controller layout of many portable gaming devices and other accessories. Nonetheless, the system's unique selling points, including its extra buttons and features, make it stand out. The attached controllers provide the Legion Go the conventional set of controls seen on handheld and console game consoles, including 4 face buttons, 4 shoulder buttons, 2 analog sticks, a D-pad, and 4 function buttons. Each controller also has 2 buttons on the underside of the unit, which can be used as back paddles or bumpers, similar to those on the Xbox Elite controller. The suitable controller is the most cutting edge of the pair, thanks to adding a touchpad and 2 side buttons. The touchpad can be found conveniently hidden behind the right analog stick. As a bonus, it has a wheel that may be used to navigate the site. Using the first-person shooter, FPS mode on the suitable controller is a standout addition. This mode can be used with the accompanying controller base for first-person shooter games to convert the device into a virtual mouse. Using games like the Power Wash Simulator, I can attest to Lenovo's assertion that the controller's optical eye improves precision and control. I could control the nozzle in-game with the suitable controller separated from the left stick. It is helpful for gaming and online browsing on the Legion Go when you use a suitable controller in this way. The scroll wheel in particular makes navigating websites much more accessible, making for a more fluid and pleasant experience overall. The Legion Go is more than just a gaming handheld. thanks to Lenovo's thoughtful design of its controller. Specs and performance. The AMD Ryzen 1 Extreme processor in the tested Legion Go was identical to that in the Asus ROG Ally. The Legion Go should easily handle even the most graphically intensive PC games with this joint hardware base. Even though we got some excellent results from our tests, I'm not confident in the Legion Go's gaming prowess. AMD has touted the ROG Ally as being twice as powerful as the Steam Deck, which is quite a boast. From what I can tell, this is correct. An exclusive Ryzen Z1 Extreme CPU with 8 Zen 4 cores and 12 RDNA 3 compute units powers the ROG Ally. The Steam Deck likewise uses an AMD APU. However, its CPU and GPU are built on AMD Zen 2 architecture instead of its predecessor's RDNA 2. This chip has 8 processing cores, 2 of which are RDNA 2. These specs show that the ROG Ally is far superior regarding raw processing power. As any gamer will tell you, though, paper performance can occasionally differ from real-world performance, so we should approach it with some caution until we get more specific data for the Legion Go. Verdict. Lenovo's Legion Go will be released in October with a giant screen, removable controllers, and other features that will help it stand out in a crowded portable gaming market. Specifically designed for the Legion Go, the Legion Space user interface will beat. I believe there is no viable substitute for the SteamOS interface on Windows 11 handhelds. The Legion Go has the potential to become a frontrunner in the handheld gaming market if it adopts a feature-rich and intuitive user interface UI similar to SteamOS. Yet, it will be only after extensive testing that its actual potential will be known. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.